In this video, we will show you how to enable developer options on your Galaxy Note 20. If you're into tweaking your smartphone to unleash its full potential, then the developer options is what you're looking for. It will give you access to some hidden settings that will be useful if you're into app development, or if you want to give your device a little boost when gaming. It will also allow you to speed up your phone's animations to improve its responsiveness in executing tasks. There are other cool things you can do if the developer options is enabled. So here's how you do it on your Galaxy Note 20. Launch the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Tap Software Information. Now to enable the developer options, you have to tap the build number 7 times. You will then be prompted to enter your security lock. After that, the developer options will be enabled. Another setting will be added just below About Phone. So tap the back key, and then scroll all the way down to find it. Tap on it to enter, and enjoy tweaking. And that's how you enable the developer options on your Galaxy Note 20. We hope that this simple tutorial can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to enable the notifications. Thanks for watching.